Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kunzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making part 2 of the different types of chicken wings. So the first one that we made, if you have not watched it, I'll leave it in the iCards plus at the end of this video and in the description box below. I'm gonna leave you the links to all of that. So if you want to see the first one, which was the baked wings, and today we're gonna be making the fried wings. And before I forget, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the little bell notification next to it so that anytime I post new videos, you get them. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this.
Perfect. Perfect.
So guys, we're gonna start off by making the coat, which we're gonna use some flour, some pepper, some salt and pepper. We're just gonna mix everything together. Transfer the chicken wings into a bigger container so that we can coat all the sides. I'll coat all the wings, and then we're gonna store them for about 30 minutes in the fridge. And guys, we'll take them out of the fridge, we'll heat up the oil, and then we're gonna put the wings in the pan, and then we're just gonna allow it cook until it is brown. And then use a sauce, whichever sauce that you want to. Just coat them or leave them as is, and then enjoy the wings, guys.
Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the side so that you get notification every time I post a video. And guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. They will be in the description box, plus it will be at the end of the screen as well. So, and guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.